Hello and welcome to my shop. Today we're gonna finish this thing. We're gonna put it back together, meaning the electrical. We're gonna take care of the top arm here, make it look good. I'll try to start it, see if it works, and we'll do a tour of it. So let's see. Cross your fingers. Let's see if it's working. But before we start it, let's work on the arm here and starting with a stop. Let's now work on the arm. First, let's get rid of all the dust and stuff with the wire wheel. I'm just gonna sand a little bit to see if we can get it cleaner. I'm gonna do that all over the arm. And then we can start de-rusting with evaporust in my case here. It's a brush on product which works really good. I like it. Let's now start this thing and see if it works. I put the electrical back together, but I didn't show you. You saw that on episode 1, so there was no need to redo it again. So it is plugged in. Let's flip the breaker. It doesn't trip, so that's good. Note that it's a 30 amp breaker for 18 amp saw, so it's too big. Well, actually no, sorry, it's perfect. 30 amp for 18 amp motor, so 18 times 1 1/4, that's about right, 25 or 30 amp. So let's do it. So let's see if it's gonna start. Let me hide under there just because. this is it. I hope you had a good time watching this restoration with me. That's Dewalt Radial Arm Saw Model GA 1964-65. Single phase, 3 horsepower motor, 18 amps. I had a good time working on this thing, first ever. If you like this kind of stuff and would like me to do more, please like and subscribe and drop me a comment or something. I'm gonna put this thing to good use. It's gonna be nice to have this in the shop. Well, thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll catch you later.